Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to change TikTok region and location. So if you want to change your TikTok region and location to United States or any other countries, what you're going to have to do is to simply close TikTok, and after that you're going to have to go to your settings and then scroll down and go to general, and then here you're going to have to simply tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and basically you're gonna have to reset your iPhone or your Android phone. And after you reset your iPhone, basically this will delete all the data of TikTok. And after that, you're gonna have to install this VPN here. So only this one works, and this one is the best one. So first of all, install this VPN, and after that, you can go on and install TikTok, and then you can create your new account, and basically this account will be created in that location. So this is the only way I found this, and this is the only way that I tried and it worked. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.